Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. I am also fine here. Today at Thaaz Fashion, let's prepare a flaky Kerala paratha, that is Malabar Paratha. So let's start. Check out the ingredients. Here I am taking 4 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, 2.5 tablespoon of ghee. You can also use oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of semolina, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Now combine all these ingredients together and knead it into a dough. Don't add oil now itself. After kneading into a dough, we will add the oil. Now add the ghee into it and again knead it. Now cover the dough in a muslin cloth at least for half an hour. Now the dough is very soft. Let's divide the dough. Now take some dough in your hand and make it in a ball shape by applying little oil on your hands and keep it under the cloth itself. Let it rest for 4 to 5 minutes. Try to make it in a equal portion. Now it's been resting for 5 minutes. Let us roll this. Now flatten the balls with your palms. Apply little oil on your palms and flatten as I am doing over here. If you are a beginner, you can also use the rolling pin to flatten the balls. Spread it as thin as you can. Apply oil and fold it. Fold it and tuck it inside. Continue the same method with the leftover balls. Now swing it, hit it. Don't worry if it breaks in the middle. Now apply oil and roll it again. Fold it and tuck it inside. If you cannot swing it, here I am showing one more method to spread the dough. Spread it as thin as the sheet becomes. Apply little oil on the top of it so it will spread easily. Once done the spreading, make a pleat as we do for sari pleat. Now fold it and tuck it inside. This is the easy method. Now let's prepare a paratha. Now flatten the rolled balls with your palms, applying little oil on your hand Now put the paratha on the heated pan. Cook it in a medium flame. Flip it to other side. Once both the sides get heated, apply the oil on the top of it. Again flip it and apply both the sides. You can apply ghee or butter also. Now it's done. Let's take out from the pan. Now continue the same method. You can also use the roller pin to flatten the dough. Now our parathas are ready. Let's give it a final touch. Now we need to press this paratha. So place 2 to 3 parathas together and press it from 2 directions. Press it, then turn it to other, then press it, turn it to other side. Similarly, you can do in one paratha also. Press it and turn it other side. Press it, turn it to other side. Now you can see the layers. Now our Malabar Paratha is ready to serve. Serve this paratha with chicken curry, fish curry or beef curry. You can have with vegetable curry also. So friends, try it out and let me know in the comments below. If you enjoy this video, please do share with your loved ones. Hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.